Let's talk about CRMs, right? CRMs, if you have a good one, it's your good starting point. If you have great hygiene, even better. You have figured out how to get CRMs to talk to other pieces of technology. That is, like, to me, one of the biggest things that agents are going after right now. They want that automation. They want everything to talk. Tell us how you've cracked that.
Yeah, so I mean, the thing is, you go to this event, right? There's like 600 tech vendors next door. And so those, to me, those are like all the ingredients in putting a dish together, but there's not like a recipe that puts it all together. And so we needed to find some sort of technology that could connect everything and make it talk so that you're not doing double, triple, quadruple entry, because I think it's wild. It's so hard to get an agent to update one system. To get an agent to update 2, 3, 4, 5 systems is freaking impossible. So we found a company called Interface. Daniel, he actually used to work for a team here in San Diego, and he's built it. And Interface gets everything to connect. So most of the large teams that I know are all running off FUB, Follow Up Boss. That's kind of the hub of most of our businesses. But then Interface gets all these systems to talk. So when an agent, pens a property, they fill out a form inside of FUB, and then that updates Sisu. That updates Open to Close, which is our transaction management system. It updates Monday. It updates all the other systems in our business, all off of a single form inside of FUB. So we're alleviating the agent's headache of having to go into multiple systems and put information in here and there. And then you also eliminate just general clerical errors, because you have to do the same thing over and over. Inevitably, you're going to screw it up somewhere. So by just putting everything into a single system, all the systems talking to each other, it saves a massive amount of time, and it maintains your data integrity. Because if any of you guys are using Sisu, for example, and you have your agents going into Sisu and updating it, your data is worthless, right? Because your agents are going to put the same thing in there 2 or 3 times. They don't remember if they did it yet or not, so they're going to go back and do it again, and now you have duplicates and triplicates in there, and it's a hot mess. So having clean data is so important as you're scaling to making proper business decisions.
You could run a masterclass in this, and I think almost every agent in the room would probably take it. You've hit all the marks. It sounds amazing. Congratulations.